Meteorologist Ryan Hoke here with a Sunday evening Hokey video blog update detailing a few of the snow chances, the big Arctic blast coming our way. Here's a rundown of what we're going to see here. Rain showers tonight, snow showers as we go throughout, say, late Monday morning and thereafter. Shouldn't be really much of an issue, though, till Monday night when we go below freezing. And the Arctic blast takes temperatures down to the teens by Wednesday morning, maybe some single digits, and certainly some near to below zero wind chills around here. Beautiful view from our Kentucky One Health SkyTrack camera downtown. You can always see these at wave3.com, by the way. Just click on weather, then the SkyTrack cameras. We've got the clouds moving in advance of our rain showers for tonight. 40s and 50s now will drop throughout the evening. A couple of light returns out to our west. These probably aren't reaching the ground just yet, but as this front begins to plow into some higher moisture values out toward our way, we'll see some showers blossom on radar. This is the leading edge of the Arctic blast over portions of the plains. Temperatures very cold out there. Big area of low pressure up across the upper Midwest, Minnesota, Wisconsin. This is going to be moving southeastward toward Ohio and really toward the Mid-Atlantic corridor here. That's going to be spreading through that big push of cold air from Canada that takes us well below normal for this time of year as we go throughout this week. There's a winter weather advisory that's been already issued for Adair County and just about all of eastern Kentucky. This goes from Monday night at 5 p.m. to Tuesday night at 6 p.m. This is Eastern time for you folks in Adair County, and they may extend this westward if we drop in temperature faster on Monday, giving us a better chance of accumulating snow here in wave country as we go throughout Monday afternoon into the evening. So there's a little bit of variability on this, still not set in stone. Here's a little higher confidence part of the forecast. The rain showers tonight, the first wave may not be all that impressive. It's more toward after midnight when we start to see more extended shower activity. It's not going to be heavy. Sometimes the model here can overdo some of the rainfall intensities that you're seeing, but we do see a lull near sunrise toward the Monday morning commute. So if you look out your door, 6, 7 a.m. and go, it's dry out here, that's why. The ground may be wet, but it may not be raining at that time. Then the snow machine turns on as we go throughout midday, say mid-morning or so and beyond here on Monday. These snow showers initially will not accumulate on the roads. Thank goodness. The roads will be too warm. Temperatures will be too warm. Maybe some grassy accumulations in those heavier snow showers. We may mix with rain in the afternoon as well, just because temperatures will be warming into the upper 30s. I've got a high of 39 degrees on Monday afternoon. We'll see how that works out. If temperatures are lower, of course, we have a higher risk for more snow accumulation, and we'll certainly be watching for that potential. Snow showers continue Monday night. We go below freezing after, say, 6, 7 o'clock. I know Futurecast has 34 here at 8 o'clock, but I think we'll be lower than that, and that will certainly give us the potential for the snow accumulation at night in splotches. All right, not everybody's going to see snow at the same time, but when you do see one of these snow showers, it may be low visibility and a quick coating to half inch at times, maybe up to an inch in some places. This is Monday night into early Tuesday morning only, because more snow showers occur during the day on Tuesday as well. That'll add on additional accumulation. So here's the graph that we've created here for Monday, showing you the precipitation types, chances, and the temperatures. You'll see we're at 38 by 4 p.m., but I think we'll be dropping down pretty quick after that. Again, a little bit of rain mixes in during the afternoon, say about 1, 2, 3 o'clock, maybe by 4 as well, but it'd be ending at that point and switching more to all snow. Now, travel impacts are not going to be bad until probably Monday evening after 6, 7 o'clock, so the Monday afternoon rush may be all right. It looks pretty good at this point for most of us. If you're in outlying areas, maybe a little bit more tricky, just because temperatures will be falling faster, but here in the city, I think we can avoid a mess until about Monday evening. And even then, it's not going to be everybody that sees the mess. Again, these snow showers are blotchy, and they're not going to be affecting everyone at the same time. Tuesday, we get chances for snow showers through the day. Again, these red lights are for if you're under one of these snow showers as they move through. If you're not, then your travel's pretty decent. You'll just have to watch the untreated roads because it will be cold enough for the snow to stick and stay there if they're not plowed or treated. Plowing probably not needed so much for this one because snow amounts will be so light. And then by Wednesday morning, we are done with this. Here's Futurecast on Tuesday, the 4-kilometer RPM model, showing us the splotchy snow showers continuing to move through. A burst of them Tuesday morning may cause some problems. Another burst Tuesday afternoon when the sun hits the atmosphere and causes some instability may also cause problems as well. Again, then select locations. These would be scattered, but if you're under one of these, things could get a little bit white out almost, you know? I mean, we're talking some gusty winds, 15, 20, 25 mile per hour winds with gusts to 30 potentially in places with the snow falling heavily for just, a few minutes at most, and it's going to look like it's a crazy snowstorm, but it really isn't because it's such a short duration. So by early Wednesday, here's what we'll have on the ground in a lot of locations, but not all, because again, this is a splotchy event. It's going to be a very splotchy look to things on radar and what's going to be on the ground. So some folks in Louisville may get 1 to 2 inches. While your next door neighbor looks like they have about a ½ inch. That's how sharp some of the divides are going to be on this. The higher confidence is going to be eastern Kentucky. It looks like those folks will see more enhancement due to the elevation called orographic lift. You've probably heard about that on the blog before. They could get up to 3 inches in splotches. All right, so not everyone's going to get what you see here on the map, but this is the maximum potential over each area if you get a pretty good dose of snow showers. I know that's hard to explain and hard to understand sometimes, but these events aren't easy to forecast by any stretch. It's going to be cold, too. By Thursday morning, we're at 12 degrees. I think temperatures outside the city could be in the single digits with wind chills near or below 0. Here's some of the snowfall models, kind of looking behind the curtain here on how we arrive at a snowfall forecast. The GFS, the Euro, and the NAM at this point are too, coarse. Their grids are too coarse. The grid points are too far apart to really hammer down snowfall totals at this point. So the 4-kilometer RPM right here is the one we really want to use more than those. And you'll see that we definitely have some of the splotchiness on there. And that's what we talked about. That's again, those convective snow showers, almost like a thunderstorm, but it's just a little tiny brief burst of snow moving through and giving us those splotchy totals. But the better chance for the higher accumulations up to 3 inches would be eastern Kentucky. All right, earliest alert outlook shows us that we are in the 30s on the 15th with another snow chance. We've talked about this one for quite some time now. This is a system to watch, probably a southern stream system that could get the jets to phase when you get the northern jet stream and the subtropical jet phasing together over the Midwest, and then that plows through. That creates a low pressure that can wrap in some of that cold air, give us the potential for a snow event. And we're going to give it just a 4 on the confidence meter for now. That's higher than before because the GFS and the Euro are finally on board with something falling from the sky that may be frozen as we head throughout that Monday, say during the morning, afternoon, evening. I think all timetables are on the table here for Monday for the potential for snow. Could be rain too. You see the 32-degree line just north of the city. Don't pay attention to that at this point. We're over a week out, so it's hard to pin down temperatures. This may cool as the system gets stronger in later runs of the models here. That may be able to pull in some more cold air. We've seen that time and again, so we're just going to give it something to certainly keep in the back of your mind as you're going throughout the next 7 days here in terms of any sort of threat level, all right? So we don't want to panic people just yet. That's for certain. This is way too far out. But it's a system we need to keep an eye on, all right? Otherwise, we do have a warming trend, I think, as we go throughout probably the mid to late portion of the month back into the 50s for a day, but we may slam back down with another one of these big blasts of Arctic air. We're in one of these chaotic big swing patterns right now. Of course, we're going from the 50s today to the 30s tomorrow and then to the 20s on Wednesday. So you know when you get these big gyrations in temperature, you can get some of these bigger storms in here too. So I don't think we've seen the last of winter weather for certain, and we may very well be heading into the heart of it, believe it or not, as we head throughout the month of February and even early March. All right, folks, that's it for now. We'll be on Wave 3 News at 11 tonight. Of course, to be sure to join us then after you watch a little bit of football, and we'll give you the latest on this snowfall that we'll have as we go throughout the next several days. That's it for now. I'm Meteorologist Ryan Hoke. Thanks for watching.